Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about your morning routine in detail. I do talk about it a little bit in detail on Mondays and on Saturdays when I go live. I go live at 9 o'clock every Monday morning for everyone who is an at-home homemaker. And I go live at 10 o'clock every Saturday morning for everyone who is a payroll homemaker. This is on my time, Eastern time. I live in Florida. Okay, so let's talk about the detail of your morning routine. The first thing that you're going to do when you get up in the morning is get up. So you can't lay in the bed, you have to get up. Sometimes that might entail some little tricks like counting to 10 before you put your feet on the floor or whatever. Or putting your feet on the floor, making that be the first thing, but you can still sit on the edge of the bed until you count to 10. Whatever it takes for you to get your body physically up out of the bed. Then you probably have to go to the bathroom, so go to the bathroom. You can do one of two things. You can either return back to the bedroom immediately and make your bed and put your clothes on, or you can stay in the bathroom, finish everything you need to do in there, which is what I do, then go back to the bedroom, make your bed, and put your clothes on. So let's look at that. Get up, go to the bathroom. While you're in there, wash your face, brush your teeth, put some moisturizer on your skin, put a little makeup on your skin, on your eyes, on your lips. One thing I do have to say, this is a personal pet peeve. Remember that your eyebrows are an accent, not a feature. Okay, so there's nothing worse than seeing dark brown features bumping up and down instead of an accent for your eyes. You notice I don't wear very dark eyebrows. I have in the past, and I found it when I look back at the videos very distracting, because your eyebrows are not an accent, they are not a feature, no matter what all of the people on Facebook may be telling you, and all the people who are trying to sell items are trying to sell you. Remember that your eyebrows are an accent, not a feature. Okay, I'm not saying I have perfect eyebrows by any means. I'm just saying back off a little on the eyebrows. Okay, anyway, if you're an at-home mom especially, you're probably not even touching your eyebrows. You might if you don't have any or they're very sparse, but basically you're doing a little minimal makeup. Fix your hair, and what else can we do in the bathroom? While we're in here, let's squirt the sink out and take a cloth and wipe it out. That means this is swipe. This is what swipe is. It's not the countertops. It's just the bowl, the sink. So you're gonna spray it and wipe it. While you're at it, wipe the two handles on the faucets, or the one and the spout, and then right behind it where water collects. That's it. Now, spray the toilet bowl. You don't even have to lift the seat, just spray it. Put that down, take that same cloth, wipe the seat, lift it up, wipe under it, wipe around the edge of the bowl, maybe wipe the lid. It's a good idea to wipe the handle, maybe before you start wiping the seat where you have to flush. Okay, now, throw that on the floor. Get your little brush, toilet brush, and go around the bowl at the water line, getting that really good, and then up underneath the rim. Tap it off, and now again, you have two choices. You can either put it right back into the brush holder, or what I do is tap it off. Here's the empty toilet with the lid up and the seat up. It's just a hole with a rim, right? Lay the brush, it's hard to describe. Lay the brush like this on the rim so that the brush part is hanging down and the handle is here. And then put the toilet seat on it so it holds it in place, and it will dry. Just stick it across the toilet bowl like that. When it's dry, take it out and put it in the holder. That's the way I choose to do it. You can do it any way you want. Now take this cloth with you, pick it up off the floor, and go to the other bathrooms. Now, if the other bathrooms are far away, let's just stop right there. Put it in the hallway so you can see it, just drop it on the floor, or put it inside the bathroom door on the floor. You know it's there, it's dirty, you don't want to handle it. Now you're going to go back in the bedroom. Maybe you want to wash your hands, that's not. And even though your sink is clean, it doesn't matter. The purpose is not to keep it clean like a perfectionist. The purpose is that it's clean once a day. So wash your hands, dry your hands, go in your bedroom, make your bed, put on your clothes, which you laid out last night. Now you're ready for the day. Now you can pick up that rag and you can take it to the laundry room and hang it on something to dry. I have a little towel rack that it hangs on to dry in the laundry room. When it's dry, guess where it goes? Right in with the other dirty towels and cloths. It does. Even though it's gross, Everything in there is gross. You dry your body with those towels. All your cracks and crevices, you wash with cloths. All of that is in there. You're going to wash it in hot water with detergent. It's going to come clean. It's not going to make everything filthy. It's going to make everything clean in the washing machine. You do what you want, but that's the way I recommend. Okay, now let's go to the other bathroom or bathrooms. Let's say you have a bath and a half left. So we're going to go in the other bathroom now. We're going to spray the sink, and we're going to spray the toilet, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Wipe the bowl, wipe the handles of the faucets and the spout. Then we're going to go to the toilet, and we're going to wipe the flushy thing, the handle, and wipe the lid, wipe the seat, under the seat, around the rim, take the brush and brush the toilet bowl. Tap it off, put the lid back on it, take the cloth to the laundry room or with you to the next bathroom. Repeat in the next bathroom. Now when you're all done, you wash your hands one last time, and now you're going to go into the kitchen and empty the dishwasher. Put the dishes away. Now people might start to stir because you're making noise. While you were in the laundry room, I'm going to talk about something else because that is the morning routine. We've done the morning routine once the dishes are put away. But we have other things that are routines that happen in the morning. They're not the quote morning routine, but there are other things that happen in the morning. One is laundry. Start your laundry now, one load every morning. It is helpful to have a plan, just like it's helpful to have a plan for everything we do. You have a laundry plan, and it says, on Monday I do this, and on Tuesday I do this, and on Wednesday, and mine is inside of the cabinet, but it could hang on the wall. It could be somewhere in there that you can see. So mine on Mondays is towels, on Tuesdays is whites, on Wednesdays is darks, on Thursdays is other. Maybe I have some mediums or some extra whites or extra darks. It's really not whites, it's lights. And then Friday is towels again. And sheets also get done on Monday. I just changed it recently. I'm trying to remember how to do it because I changed here's why I changed it. It's supposed to be Monday is sheets, Tuesday is lights, Wednesdays is mediums, Thursdays is darks, Fridays is towels. And then with Mama being sick at home and having bed baths and all that stuff, I usually have 2 loads of towels. So getting her head washed in the bed and things like that. So I've found that my sister Marty loves to fold towels, and she's taking care of Mom while I'm working. And there's not a whole lot to do because Mom mainly just lays in the bed and she just entertains her. So she said, I love to fold towels. I said, okay, so I'm going to do my towels. Marty's here on Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays. So on Mondays and Fridays, I'm now doing towels. So I'm having to figure out when I'm going to strip my bed. Well, I still strip it on Mondays, but those sheets go back on the bed. She doesn't have to deal with them. So I'm going to do 2 loads on Mondays. I digress. I'm thinking out loud, but this is how you're supposed to think. You think out loud, you figure it out, and then you put it on a list so you don't have to think about it again. You just go in there first thing in the morning and you say, oh, it's Tuesday. It's light colored clothes. So you put a load of light colored clothes in and start it. Now, if you have paper clutter, that's another routine we do in the morning. We go through 1 inch of paper every morning. So if you don't have paper clutter, you don't ever have to do that again. You just have to deal with the paper as it comes into your home. But until your paper clutter is gone, Monday through Saturday, you're going to go through 1 inch every morning. I'm not going to go into the detail of paper clutter right now because this is more about morning routine, and I just wanted to say there are 2 more things we do in the morning that are routines, and they are laundry and paper. So you're done with your morning routine. Now, if you have a child or children, they have a morning routine. It is similar to your routine, and that is that they have to get up, and this is after it's a point where you've emptied the dishwasher, and you're gonna make some coffee or start breakfast. This is when your children will be getting up. If your children get up before that and they're tiny, like the same tiny that if they got out of bed at night when you were sitting in the living room with your husband, you would say, oh no, honey, it's not time to get up, go back to bed. You say the same thing in the morning. Oh no, honey, it's not time to get up. You can go potty and have a drink of water, but go back to bed. I'll let you know when it's time to get up. You can read a book in there if you want to, but you can't get up yet. Little children need to be out of the way because they're going to be underfoot when you're trying to get your morning routine done. I don't believe in putting little children out of the way except for this one time. You need this 30 minutes to get yourself ready and feel like you're in control and not running behind all day. If you have bigger children, they're on their own. They cannot ask you questions. You have things to do. I mean, they can, of course, have a conversation with you, but you can't go on the hunt for something for them. You're doing your thing, okay? So they're gonna get up, make their bed, brush their teeth, wash their face, wipe out the sink. Even though you cleaned it before they got up, they're gonna spit toothpaste spit right down the middle of the sink, and that has to be washed out. So rinse it or wipe it or whatever, hang up their towel, get their clothes on, and comb their hair and come to breakfast. That's their morning routine. If you want to add another routine that happens in the morning for your children, you certainly can. Just add one and make it small. Feed the dog, or let the dog out, or open the blinds, whatever, just one small thing. Not overwhelming and not too long, not too involved, okay? All right, that's your morning routine. That will take you to getting ready to get into your zone and your basic weekly plan and be part of your family's life, and they're part of yours, and it's great. Now, if you are having to stop in the middle of a morning routine to go do something for your family, like take them to school, then you didn't get up early enough. So reassess. You have to use your mind and reassess. When do I have to leave this house to take my kids to school, if that is your predicament? And then what time did my children need to get up, giving them at least 30 minutes to get ready, and then time to eat, so an hour. So 1 hour total for them. So if they have to leave the house at 7, then they need to get up at 6, then guess what? You have to get up at 5:30. You're not homeschooling your children, they're going to a school. You have to get up and time to get yourself ready, and then give them time to get themselves ready, and then all of you eat, and then clean the kitchen up a little bit. So that's an hour for them. All right, that's it. I hope you have a great day. I hope you started every day with your morning routine. I will be making more routine videos for you and other things so that you know exactly how to do the morning routine or whatever the routine is. That's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.